target on this line. Try to stay right on that edge. Then we're right on line. Just like that, Jess. Just like that. Yep.
Jesse seems to be staying very high on that line. Going to drop his drag passenger side in real quick. With this downhill rock, and it holds him into place. Sucked up his rear suspension.
Nice.
Nice. Looks like he's got a nice line to avoid it with the front, but he's going to be going off on a weird angle here. You see how he kept that front suspension sucked up tight so that he didn't unload on him. And he was able to just walk right through.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, I just...
The number 2 cones is basically